In a world where subscriber counts determine destiny, two forces have risen. One, a fearless feline visionary. The other, a porous rectangle from the ocean we call the sponge. This isn't just about subscribers. This is about pride. This is about destiny. This is about internet glory. A cat brave enough to stand for humanity against the sponge.
Listen, I eat pizza and ice cream, and I deliver wisdom. And I don't live in a pineapple. The choice seems rather obvious, doesn't it?
Hit subscribe. Join Team Jerry. Let's show the universe what a wise, cracking cat can do. The battle begins now.